What if I told you that some people go from complete crypto beginners to profitable traders in just 3 months, while others struggle for years and never make a dime? Today, I'm sharing the exact blueprint that separates the winners from the losers in crypto trading. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fast-track your journey to becoming a profitable trader. First, let's get real about timelines. I get this question all the time. How long until I'm making money from crypto trading? Here's the truth. There's no magic number. I've seen students become profitable in 3 months, others in 6 months, and some take over a year. But here's what I've never seen. Someone becoming profitable in a week or even a month. If you're looking for get-rich-quick schemes, this isn't it. But if you want a real path to consistent profits, keep watching. The 7-step blueprint. Step 1. Find an honest mentor. Step 1 might shock you. Find someone who tells you the UGLY truth about trading. Social media is full of fake gurus flashing cash, promising you'll turn $100 into $10,000 overnight. Run from these people. A real mentor will tell you, you will lose money sometimes. Trading is risky. Our success takes time and practice. There are no guarantees. Look for educators who show both their wins and losses. Trust me, we all have red days. Step 2. Focus on learning, not money. Here's where most beginners fail. They're so focused on making money, they forget to actually learn how to trade. I've had students tell me they want to turn $100 into $1,000 in their first month. My response? Can you turn $100 into $110 first? Think of trading like learning to drive. You don't start by racing on a highway. You practice in empty parking lots first. When I started trading, I wasn't thinking about money at all. I was fascinated by the charts, the patterns, the psychology behind market movements. That curiosity made all the difference. Step 3. Develop your trading strategy. Here's a secret. There's no best trading strategy. There's only the best strategy for you. It's like asking what's the best food. Some people love pizza, others prefer sushi. Trading strategies work the same way. Here's what you need to do. Try different strategies. We will address it in our coming videos. Practice each one with small amounts. Keep track of which ones work for you. Or focus on your winners. Step 4. Avoid FOMO, fear of missing out. FOMO is a trader's worst enemy. It's that voice in your head saying, everyone's making money on this coin except me. Picture this. You see people posting about a coin that's pumping 50%. Your heart races. You think, I need to get in now before I miss out. So you buy at the top, and it crashes. Sound familiar? We've all been there. Here's the antidote to FOMO. Stick to your strategy. If a trade doesn't fit your plan, don't take it. There will always be another opportunity. Step 5. Master your emotions. Trading is 80% psychology and 20% strategy. Let me explain what I mean. When you're winning, greed whispers, hold on longer, make more money. When you're losing, fear screams, get out now before you lose everything. Both emotions will destroy your account if you let them. One of my most successful students told me he treats trading like a business, not a casino. He follows his plan whether he's winning or losing. Pro tips to control emotions. Never trade money you can't afford to lose. Always set stop losses and take profits before entering trades. Take breaks when you feel overwhelmed. Step 6. Learn technical analysis. Don't worry. Technical analysis sounds scary, but it's really just reading the story that price charts tell you. Think of it like reading a map. Once you know what the symbols mean, you can navigate anywhere. Start with these basics. A support and resistance, like floors and ceilings for prices. Trend lines is the price going up, down, or sideways. Simple patterns like double tops and bottoms. You don't need to learn 50 indicators. Master 2 to 3 basic concepts first, then build from there. Remember, technical analysis isn't magic. It's about understanding how markets move and making educated guesses about what might happen next. Step 7. Track everything. This step separates amateurs from professionals, keeping detailed records. Every trade you make, write down why you entered, or where you entered and exited. What happened, profit or loss, or what you learned. Also, backtest your strategies. This means testing them on historical data to see how they would have performed. It's like having a GPS for your trading. You can see where you've been and plan where you're going. Reality check. Let me be crystal clear about something. Even following all these steps doesn't guarantee you'll be profitable in 3 months. Some of you might take 6 months, others a year. And you know what? That's perfectly normal. What I can guarantee is this. If you follow these steps, you'll learn fast and avoid the costly mistakes that keep most traders stuck in a losing cycle. Trading isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building a skill that can generate income for years to come. Call to action. If this video helped you understand how to approach crypto trading the right way, smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Want to learn more about finance? I have created many videos on how to manage our finances. Link is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our trading tips and market updates. Remember, successful trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on building your skills, and the profits will follow. What's your biggest challenge in learning crypto trading? Drop a comment below. I read every single one and often make videos based on your questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive into crypto trading mistakes to avoid as a beginner. Until then, trade safe and keep learning.